As AI is used worldwide, and every software, every company is introducing the AI. So if you see the small websites is also using the AI tools like AI chatbots, because the reason is that they just want to get the first mover advantage in AI. So AI is still developing, not still completely developed. It is still developing. It is like a small child which is still growing. So while working on the AI, we have might face some wrong responses from the AI tools. So the basic agenda of this session is that uh, while the ethical AI and Copilot navigating bias and fairness. So it means that we have used the AI tools and how it is giving the biased responses. Since we are using the AI worldwide, so we need to consider the ethical aspects of the AI also, so that you can protect our rights and we can also protect the others' rights using this Copilot. So, before going to this content, I just wanted to tell you that what is the take home from this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to learn about the what is AI and what is ethical AI, and how this ethical AI is implications in the real world scenarios. And we will also learn about the some basic introduction about the Copilot, how Copilot works, and how Copilot to works the fairness and to mitigate the bias responses. And there is some legal consideration we will also discuss about this. And this one case law that has been filed against the Copilot regarding this Copyright Act and this biasness responses. We'll shortly discuss this case law also, and then we'll come to the conclusion of this session. Okay, so this session is totally about just the basic concept of AI. It is from starting to intermediate level, not just a very big topic. Just we'll discuss about the what is AI and what is implications and how AI works. What is the logic behind this AI? We'll discuss about this. So first, if we talk about the artificial intelligence, so what is artificial intelligence? The definition of AI may be different from individual to individual. So if you go to the word of this AI, artificial intelligence, so intelligence means cognitive skills. The cognitive skills that human brain have. In human brain, when you process anything, there is a neural networks that connects and work on that processing the data and give the responses. So based on this intelligence, so this is the actually a artificial intelligence. So when we bring this intelligence into a machine, so that's called the artificial intelligence. This is a simple definition in my terms. So when we bring this intelligence into a machine and any computer, that is an artificial intelligence to give responses and to give any problem solving responses. Now, left hand side you can see that the deep neural networks. So I'm talking about these multiple hidden layers are there. So when we give any prompt to any AI tool, whether it is AI or Copilot, so we put the input, and behind this input, like for example, I have asked from the AI that what is say what is ethics. So behind this, whatever these multiple layers, generally usually it is hundreds of layers on which the data has been fed, and on that data the algorithm has been set also. And the algorithm works or they find the ethics, and from these multiple layers is find the best result and give this output. So this is basically AI, ML and deep learning. So AI is the artificial intelligence and ML is the machine learning and DL is the deep learning. Machine learning is the subdiscipline of AI. So AI is trained by the machine learning and deep learning also. So how AI gets trained, how AI gets responses to us. So to train the AI, we use the past historical data. Whatever historical data are available, we use the machine learning to train the AI. So machine learning basically, it's a technology, it's a method to developing the AI and setting the algorithm also, how that data should be processed and how the response should be triggered. And deep learning is the advanced version of this machine learning model. It works on the machine learning also. It has to generate the response, set the algorithm also. And algorithm is nothing but it's a set of instruction and rules that define that when you give some prompt, how it will generate the responses from this prompt. So that works on the DL work on this algorithm also. Mm, okay. And yeah, so there's one more thing. So machine learning, when we train the AI, there are basically three types of learning that is done by the machine learning. First is the supervised learning, second is unsupervised learning, and third is the reinforcement learning. So what is supervised learning? Supervised learning, I'll take you through with one example like a baby child. The parents teach him that respect elders and what is computer. We directly tell them what is computer. So we have given one-to-one response to our child. So this is a supervised learning. We have supervised and trained our child in that same direction, exact one-to-one mapping. So that is a supervised learning actually. So same way we have give the instruction through the machine learning and deep learning to the AI that what is ethics. Simple definition is given that ethics you have to go answer this multiple yes and give a response. What is ethics? The complete definition will prompt by the ethics. So this is a supervised learning. And what is the unsupervised learning? So if we talk about a child, we have fed multiple information to the child. And based on multiple information, the child think like I have asked from a child that what is computer. So what he does, actually he don't know the computer, but he has learned about the computer, and he has learned from different places and different definitions from the computer. So he go into the mind and search based on this neural network, because in our brain also there is a neural system. So based on this neuron, they process all the information that is captured, whether it is in the conscious mind, whether it is in the subconscious mind. So process all the information and find